Shawnee roof installation, turning off wood shakes, installing Timberline 30-year weathered wood shingle with radiant barrier decking, high definition ridge cap. American Roofing and Renovations, 913-706-8710. Installation of 30-pound felt underlayment for more durability. Finished product, Shawnee roof installation, removed wood shake roof, installed radiant barrier decking, 30-year high definition Timberline shingle with high definition ridge cap for 110 mile/hour wind rating. American Roofing and Renovations, 913-706-8710.